I am Nita Sharma from PM Expert. In this short video, I will explain the planning poker method for estimation in Agile step by step with a simple example. What is planning poker? It is a technique teams use to estimate the effort for user stories. The team listens to the story, asks questions, and then every member secretly picks a card with a number. Everyone reveals their cards at the same time, discusses differences, and repeats until they reach a consensus. The deck usually uses a Fibonacci-like sequence for story points. Common values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 20, 40, 100. There is also a question mark card for uncertainty and a coffee card for a short break. Who participates? Typically, the Scrum Master facilitates, the product owner explains the story, and the delivery team estimates. That includes developers, QA, and UX or design. The goal is shared understanding and a consistent estimate. Here is the process in 6 simple steps. Step 1, prepare the backlog. Step 2, the product owner explains one user story. Step 3, the team asks clarifying questions. Step 4, each estimator picks a card in secret. Step 5, reveal at the same time and discuss differences. Step 6, repeat if needed and agree on a final estimate. Now a quick example. The story is, as a user, I want to reset my password using an email link so that I can access my account. We will estimate this story with 3 estimators. We will simulate the secret pick, then reveal, discuss, and converge. The team thinks silently and picks a card in secret. Now, reveal together. Estimator 1 shows 3. Estimator 2 shows 5. Estimator 3 shows 13. We discuss. The person with 13 explains the risks, maybe email deliverability and security, and the person with 3 explains why they think it is small. After clarifying scope and assumptions, the team re-estimates. After a second round, the team converges on a final estimate of 5 story points. That is the planning poker outcome for this story. Tips for better sessions. Keep stories small and clear. Use the question mark card if you need more info. If estimates are far apart, let the lowest and highest explain first. Timebox the discussion and try again. Remember, planning poker is about shared understanding, not exact prediction. I am Nita Sharma from PM Expert. Planning poker makes estimation simple, visual, and collaborative. Use it regularly with your team, and you will get faster, more consistent estimates over time.